This 2023 East to West Della Terra 200 road is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used east to west is 28 feet 2 inches in length and features sleep 6, stovetop burner, LP detector, awning, refrigerator, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, water heater, smoke detector, spare tire kit, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear dinette, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 East to West Della Terra 200 road is 5,418 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.